Channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to set up Birdfy app on iPhone and the Android step-by-step installation and the login guide. So guys, for this download an account setup. So go for App Store and the Play Store and search for the Birdfy app. Then open the app, sign up and enter your email to register. After that, verify your account, enter the pairing code sent to your Gmail to create the password. When your password is created, then guys, ensure your device is fully charged before pairing. Then turn on the camera by pressing and holding the power button for 3 seconds until you hear the chime and the blue light. Then double press the power button to enter the pairing mode and blue light will blinking. After that, connect to Wi-Fi. So guys, open your Birdfy app and click the option of tab icon and select your specify bird module and enter your home 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and name and password. A QR code will appear on your smartphone screen. Hold your phone screen 5 to 10 cm in the front of the Birdfy lenses until you hear the confirmation beep and the flashing blue lights turn solid. Then guys, finalize and test. Name your device and assign and location. So tap the live on the home page to view the camera feed. If the devices show the offline, initially wait the few minutes and refresh your screen. So this is the way that you can do, and guys, thank you and have a nice day.